Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner in life. Today, we will answer the question who loses everything first in a recession and how to make sure it's not you. In the first few seconds, we'll explain what a recession is and why some people become more vulnerable during these tough economic times. You'll also discover practical tips to avoid common financial pitfalls. Stick around until the end to learn how to protect your finances and build resilience for the future. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's get started. The overspender's dilemma. Let's start with a common financial challenge many people face: overspending. This happens when you spend more money than necessary, often without realizing its long-term impact. Lifestyle inflation takes this a step further, occurring when your spending increases alongside your income, leading to a more expensive lifestyle without prioritizing savings. In other words, you start upgrading your lifestyle and indulging in fancier purchases instead of setting aside money for a rainy day. Without a financial safety net, lifestyle inflation can leave you exposed during an economic downturn. While spending more may feel rewarding in the moment, it can quickly become a burden when times get tough. Recognizing the risks of overspending and lifestyle inflation highlights the importance of planning ahead and saving wisely. Think of it like buying luxury items that seem affordable at first, but soon become financial liabilities, instead of being a symbol of success. These extra expenses can put you in a difficult position when unexpected costs arise. Many people fall into this trap, unaware that their high-cost habits are making them more vulnerable to financial shocks. Emotional decision-making in tough times, building on the vulnerabilities created by overspending and lifestyle inflation. Financial stress can become even more overwhelming when uncertainty strikes. In tough times, emotions often take control, leading us to make impulsive financial decisions without fully considering the long-term consequences. This emotional response is a key aspect of behavioral finance, influencing how we manage money and navigate financial challenges. During a recession, fear and anxiety can easily cloud judgment. The urge to react quickly, whether by making drastic budget cuts, selling off investments, or taking on unnecessary debt, can lead to choices that may hurt rather than help. However, sticking to a long-term financial plan is crucial. Patience allows you to avoid rash decisions and instead make thoughtful, strategic moves that support your financial well-being. Behavioral economics teaches us that stress can distort our thinking, tricking us into believing that short-term fixes are the best solution. In reality, these knee-jerk reactions often backfire. By understanding the psychology behind financial stress, you can recognize these patterns and take a more balanced, rational approach. Financial resilience isn't just about how much you save. It's also about how you manage emotions during uncertainty, risk takers, and high-stakes investments. Now, let's talk about risk takers and high-stakes investments. Just as emotions can drive impulsive financial decisions in tough times, they can also lead investors to chase high-risk, high-reward opportunities. From cryptocurrency and startups to other volatile markets, speculative assets promise big returns, but come with equally significant risks. Especially during economic downturns, history offers a clear warning about the dangers of diving in without a solid plan. The 2008 financial crisis is a prime example, where unchecked enthusiasm for risky investments led many to devastating losses. This period underscored the real recession risks tied to high-stakes financial choices and the consequences of poor investment strategies. While taking risks can lead to great rewards, balancing risk with caution is crucial. Conducting thorough research, understanding market trends, and having a clear investment strategy can help protect you from the pitfalls that have trapped many investors in the past. debt accumulation, and financial fragility. After discussing the risks of high-stakes investments, it's important to recognize another major financial trap: reckless debt accumulation. Just as risky investments can leave you exposed during economic downturns, taking on too much debt can create serious financial instability. Even seemingly manageable loans can become overwhelming when interest rates rise or income declines, turning short-term borrowing into a long-term burden. This video breaks down the dangers of unsustainable debt and provides key strategies for managing loans effectively. History has shown us that unchecked borrowing often leads to financial crises, leaving many struggling to recover. What starts as a small loan can quickly spiral out of control, especially with high interest rates that drain your finances. Past economic downturns have highlighted how excessive debt can make individuals and families financially fragile, reinforcing the need for a recession-proof debt strategy. The good news? There are practical money-saving strategies to help reduce debt and avoid financial pitfalls. Tracking your spending, cutting out non-essential expenses, and prioritizing high-interest debt can significantly ease financial strain, adaptability, and the need for a broad skill set. Aside from some practical money-saving strategies that we've discussed, being adaptable and developing a broad skill set is just as crucial for financial stability. While managing debt helps protect your financial health, career adaptability ensures you have the income security to sustain it. Relying on a single, narrow skill set may seem like an advantage, but in today's fast-changing economy, industries can shift overnight, leaving many unprepared for job losses or pay cuts. This is why continuous learning and skill diversification are essential for staying relevant in any market. By investing in professional development and expanding your expertise, you strengthen your recession-proof job security and ensure that you remain a valuable asset in any industry. Rather than being caught off guard by economic downturns, a diversified skill set gives you the ability to pivot and seize new opportunities. Taking the time to upskill and explore new fields can be a game changer for your long-term financial security. Learning new technologies, enhancing problem-solving abilities, or gaining expertise in different areas not only boosts your resume but also increases your career flexibility when challenges arise. A proactive mindset in professional development isn't just about career growth. It's a safety net that helps you adapt, sustain your income, and navigate uncertain times with confidence. Importance of liquidity, emergency funds, and cash management. It's also important that we discuss the importance of liquidity, having cash readily available, because adaptability alone isn't enough to weather financial uncertainty. While developing a broad skill set helps protect your income, financial flexibility ensures that you can handle unexpected expenses without derailing your long-term goals. When the economy takes a downturn, simply having wealth on paper won't cut it. Access to liquid cash can make all the difference in staying financially stable during tough times. Many people might seem financially secure because they own valuable assets, but if those assets can't be quickly converted into cash, they become asset-rich but cash-poor. This can put you in a difficult position when emergencies arise or economic conditions worsen. That's why having an emergency fund is essential. It acts as a financial safety net, giving you the liquidity needed to cover urgent expenses without relying on high-interest debt. Building and maintaining a cash reserve should be a key part of your overall financial strategy. Start by setting a small amount each month until you have enough to cover essential expenses for at least 3 to 6 months. From there, focus on improving your cash flow by tracking expenses, reducing unnecessary spending, and ensuring you have quick access to funds when needed. Survivors, building financial resilience. Now, let's talk about what it truly takes to be financially resilient. while liquidity and emergency funds ensure you have immediate cash when needed. Long-term stability requires a proactive approach to financial planning. Survivors, those who weather economic storms, don't rely on luck. Instead, they prepare early, save consistently, avoid unnecessary debt, and create multiple income streams to safeguard their future. These financially resilient individuals develop strong habits, including aggressive saving, smart budgeting, and diversified investments. They set clear financial goals, regularly review their spending, and adjust their strategies to stay on track. By spreading their money across different assets, they reduce risk and build multiple streams of income, key factors in achieving long-term financial security. Fortunately, today's digital tools make financial management easier than ever. Financial apps like the Allo app help streamline expense tracking, savings goals, and investment monitoring, giving users real-time insights to adjust their financial strategies. Leveraging these tools can enhance income diversification and keep you focused on the bigger picture. Building lasting financial resilience, survivors don't just react to financial uncertainty. They anticipate, plan, and adapt. By following their approach, you can create a strong financial foundation that allows you to thrive in any economic climate. Tips and tools for recession-proofing your finances. Before we end, here are some practical steps to strengthen your financial resilience. The same principles that help financial survivors stay ahead. Smart planning, disciplined saving, and income diversification are key. But to truly recession-proof your finances, you need to take consistent, actionable steps toward financial security. Start by assessing your spending habits. Take a close look at where your money goes each month, identifying necessary expenses versus discretionary spending. Trimming unnecessary costs not only frees up extra cash, but also ensures you're living within your means, making it easier to handle financial downturns. Managing debt is just as important. Avoid taking on high-interest loans and work on paying down any existing balances to reduce financial strain. At the same time, diversifying your income is crucial. Relying on a single source of income can leave you vulnerable during economic downturns, so consider alternative revenue streams such as freelancing, side businesses, or passive income opportunities. Additionally, building a strong emergency fund is essential. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to serve as a financial cushion during uncertain times. Finally, take advantage of personal finance tools to make managing your money easier. Budgeting apps like Allo help track expenses, plan savings, and monitor debt repayment, all in one place. These tools provide real-time insights to help you stay organized and adjust your financial strategy as needed. By applying these actionable steps, you'll be well on your way to securing your finances and staying prepared for any economic challenges ahead. And that's a wrap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment sharing your strategy for handling a recession, and share this with anyone who could benefit from these tips. If you're new to Luxo-Life, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest insights on smart financial strategies. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video, Luxo lovers.